Hello everyone! In this video, we will guide you through the process of installing an SSL certificate on Google Cloud Platform. First, generate a CSR, or Certificate Signing Request, and a private key using the SSL Dragon CSR Generator tool. Save the private key code for yourself and share the CSR with SSL Dragon to issue the CRT, or certificate. Use your domain name, such as yourdomain.com, in the common name field and your associated email address, such as info@yourdomain.com, in the email address field, as demonstrated in the video. Next, copy the generated CSR code and private key into .csr and .key files, respectively, and share them with SSL Dragon. SSL Dragon will then issue the CRT for the same. As you can see, in all products, first click on App Engine and then Settings. Inside Settings, click on SSL Certificates. Now, click on Upload Certificate and first provide a display name, upload the certificate file, and the private key, as shown in the video. Note: the private key file should be an RSA file. If your private key is not in RSA format, then convert it using the following command. Now, click on the domain names for which you want to enable SSL and click on the Save button. Thank you for watching this tutorial. You can enjoy a 10% discount on any SSL certificate order at SSL Dragon by using the promo code YouTube10 during the checkout process.